Hey everyone, I'm Clayfect, and on this channel I sculpt sculptures with polymer clay. Sometimes I tell you a bit about what I'm doing, sometimes I'm telling the story about the character that I'm making, and other times I'm just talking a little bit of my life and having fun. I love the cute and the crooked, and seeing things from different perspectives. So if you want to see me sculpt a 9-headed Hydra, then I got you. If you want to know why Cerberus is only a 3-headed puppy with abandonment issues, I got you. Or hear me tell about how Windy the Wendigo is a big Dolly Parton fan, I got you. And if that is not to your liking, I do other things too. Often with my family and my friends that try their best to accommodate my crazy ideas. I even have a clay off a sculpting battle with my husband from time to time. So as you can hear, I sculpt a lot of different things, be it from a game or movie or even some of my original characters from the Unseen Creature Journal, where I sculpt some completely original sculptures with a Clayfect take on it. I have even made a tutorial series where I make the tutorials for all who want to get started with polymer clay. But even though the sculptures varies very much, I still keep to the comfy and cute side. Here in Denmark, where I'm from, we have a word called hygge, and it describes this wholesome feeling of comfort and happiness, and that is what I want to bring to the table, while still give a slightly tilted view on life. So if that is something you're interested in, why not subscribe and become a part of this clay family?
He took 100 pounds of clay, and then he said, hey listen, I'm gonna fix this world today, because I know